Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today, I'll show you exactly how to convert a JSON file into a PDF using the updated tools and methods for 2025. Whether you're preparing data for reports, documentation, or sharing structured information in a readable format, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do. Let's get started. First is open your web browser and search for the JSON to PDF converter free. Click the online JSON PDF converter. Click on the Choose File and select the JSON file and click Open. Once it's done uploading, click Continue. Next is click the Convert button. Wait for the downloading process to be finished. Once it's finished, click Download. And lastly, open the file to check if the data is properly converted. And that's a wrap. You now know how to convert any JSON file into a PDF quickly and easily with the 2025 process. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials to boost your productivity and workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.